I use some of the small steps traded channel. So since took days it was in the positive side the yen. So is it real recovery? That we will see in the chart. Okay, today before going to the analysis, today's money mantra, whatever it is that you are passionate about, try to figure out a way to make money at it and give it a shot. So whichever thing you are passionate, so do that thing and try to make money from out of that passion. So try it. That is give it a shot. That's the meaning. Okay, we will see the analysis. The first we will see current spot rate, which is RBI reference rate. So according to the RBI reference rate, USDINR 82 rupees 67 paise, GBP 105 rupees 9 paise, Euro 90 rupees 22 paise, Yen 56 rupees 63 paise. You will see the currency feature. So if you see that today, other the only Euro negatively closed, the rest of the three closed positively. That we will see in the chart. So first we will see the USDINR. You see, it had a gap down, small gap down. It previous close was 82, 80. Some 5 points, 5 paise. It has a gap down. Then again, subsequently, it has come down. Then it was a very good rally. If you see the bottom, it is around 82.66. It rallied till 82.86. That is 20 paise. It has a recovery from the low. It's a very good recovery. So the entry for the intraday players is this is the place. You can say this is the entry point. So I always used to say that unlike Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other features, don't keep the stop loss the nearest stop loss. So if you see the nearest stop loss, most of the people will do the VWAP. So I used to say that make a below to that VWAP. If you are taking a long entry, take a below to that, because you are taking the entry here. So it's very close to the VWAP. So even if you take quite away, say how much it is. See the entry it is around 82.71, but the low is 82.66 actually. It's just hardly 6 paise. That is only 60 rupees per lot. So always keep quite away from the VWAP. So in that case, if take the entry here, if you keep the long stop loss, see you will not be get triggered. So many people use the VWAP as the stop loss, it will be triggered here. Twice it has got triggered. But if you made an entry here and keep the stop losses quite away, if you see the close to close basis, around 11 paise you will be close. You will get the 11 paise. That is 110 rupees. So this for for USD, the margin value is around 1,500 only. For 1,500, you are getting 110 rupees. It's a very good. We can say very good profit. More than 6-7% it will come. Okay, for the personal traders, if you see that this is still in the channel, we can say this. So yesterday I told that it may be a fake breakout. If you see that today it confirmed that it has came down to the channel, and again now it is quite just above the channel. So unless we doesn't have decisively closed above the channel, we cannot say it is in the channel group. We were in either side, but twice it traded in the upper side only. So how subsequent is, we have to wait and see. Next we will see JPY-INR. It had a gap up. Yesterday previous close is 56.89. So the open is 56.98. Around 9 points it has the gap up. At close to close basis 16, but it has closed positively. But you see immediately after the gap again it has come down. It tried to close that gap, but it came down till 56.92 only, and the rally again it's come to the positive side. So for the entry point would be here for the intraday place, the long entry, because after the gap we used to say that don't take trade for 1 hour. So all up to here, up to this, if you see around 12:30 p.m., the prices moved around, hovering in all the lines. We were 20 EMA and 50 EMA. So it only closed at around 12:30, decisively break all the lines in the upper side. So the entry would be somewhere here only, 56.98. If I take 56.98 here, the high is around 56, sorry, 57.8. But if you close here also, still some 8 points, 9 paise is the profitability. Okay, for the positional traders, the 1 hour chart. So now it looks like moving to the opposite. So yesterday it broke the 20 EMA in the opposite. Now it is broke the 50 EMA also. If you see the indicator, the minus D may keep coming down and plus D may keep up, and it is penetrated each other. So these two movement giving a positive indication that it may coming in the upper side. So that's why I given in the heading whether it is true or not. So we will tomorrow we can conclude, we able to conclude. If you see that a month, the whole month from the August, from if you see here around 60, from 60 rupees it has come down to 56.65, around 3 rupees 35 paisa it has come down. It's very huge within a month. It's close to basis 3 rupees 35 paisa. That's very huge. So with that respect also, this may comes up. So let me wait and see how it goes. Next we will see GBP See, it had a very good gap up. The previous close is 104.79. If we say 104.80 also, see around 30 paise it is a gap up. But close, but what happened? Only 10 paise it is in the positively closed. See the very huge gap up. From there again it's keep on, it has come up. So that's why only 10 paise it closed positively. If you see the 1 hour chart, so it looks like the trend is coming in the upper side. We have to wait and see. So though it is above the 20 and 50 EMA channel, we have to wait and see, because the indicator says that the plus DMA is not in the momentum. The minus DMA very close to the 20 line only. It didn't come down. So we have to wait and see in the subsequent days. We can conclude while we seeing the dollar index. We will have a look at that also. GPB INR. So today, sorry, Euro INR. So today we had a data for this, the consumer price index. It has come. So the forecast is 5.1, but it has come 5.3 positively. So actually, if it is positive, it is positive or bullish for the euro. But what happened today? It has come negatively, closed negatively. So this means that it is already expected. The forecast, it exceeded the forecast. So maybe the prices already factored because of this anticipation. So that's why, though the data is positive, it ended at negativity. We will see that in the chart. See, it had a gap up. But what happened? The previous close was 90.22, had a gap up of around 16 paise gap up. But what happened? Again 15 paise negatively it is closed. So after the gap up, it was in the sideways movement until 12:30. Then it has started coming down. See, from the high, you can say this is the high, 80, 90, 45. At stage it comes around 90. 45 paise it has come down. So the for the intraday phase, this would be the entry point, because it broke all the lines, and this would be the entry point. If anybody took entry at 90.33 short entry, If they covered even 98 also, it's a very good profitability. Around 25 paise, 250 rupees for 3000. 3000 is the around margin of here. So if you see the positional it is 1 hour chart, it's very much similar to the GPB only. So we'll conclude this with comparing to the dollar index. So first we will see USDINR before the dollar index, the USDINR options. See the RBI reference rate 80 to 68. Tomorrow is the expiry, weekly expiry. So 80 to 60. So with that we keep in the mind, we will see where it will close tomorrow. So now the RBI reference is 30 here. So the most probably it will close the same within 80 to 50 and 80 to 70. So around the same place it will close. I mean now it is 80 to 60. So the around that it will close. The reason is you can see the highest call options open interest is 80 to 75. So if it breaks the 80 to 75, all this become the in the money. So the option rate doesn't like that. So here, if you see the put option, now it is here. So it is both are equally the OI both are equally and it's a mid to the both the open interest. So the highest probability is the expiry closes at 80 to 50, 80 to 75. One thing remember, for the currency, the expiry is mid of the day. When around 12:30 p.m. the expiry happens. Unlike Nifty and commodity, MCX commodity, those expiry are up to the end of the day. But currency at the mid of the day, 12:30 p.m. it will closes the current contracts. I am the boss. US dollar. See, yesterday it was there were decisively it was came down. If you see here also 104 what we can see from here 102.88. So 1.5 points it has come down. So it's very huge in a short while. See, so all are decisively come. Now you see the decisively coming up. So this is very crucial stage, but we cannot say that it definitely will comes up because sometimes it will be treated as a mean reversion. Maybe it may act as a channel also. Possibilities are there. It has to decisively grow. Otherwise, it will retest to the channel. So in that case, if you see the weekly chart, still it not completely gone up. It's not a green candle. So it shows that the bearishness only. But up to date, it didn't come inside the channel. So that is giving the hope. If tomorrow it decisively come inside, definitely the subsequent week also it comes within the channel and the end it touches the channel support. So in that case, our Euro and GPB INR may shoot up. So this the Euro and the GPB very much depends on this US index, US dollar index. So that's why I said we have to see this how it performs. So we have to wait till tomorrow at the end of the week we may give some conclusion. So this is all about this video. So we will see in the next video. So this is the educational purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and like the video and share with your friends. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.